Hey, good morning, beautiful people. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Starting the week here, sexy strong. God, excited to be back with you guys. Hope everybody's doing great. Yo, we're in here. We got the accounts. Just gonna send this off real quick. Hey, gonna send this up real quick, and we in there, boy. Work. Good morning, King. Bright and early. Like he never left. All right, we're off. We're done. Morning, Jay. Morning, Matrix. Welcome in, family. We got these 50k's. They're daily payouts. They're ready to go. Short's got to be strong here, right? This looks like an obvious spot where you could see some shorts. Ugh. I'm going to go ahead and try this with a micro real quick.
Order filled.
We're already in. I'm into micros. Didn't want to get crazy with it. Want to see if we can find some reaction towards the sell side. I like to see us maybe hold this after this opening print candle was pretty bearish. We'll see what we can do here. Amen, brother. These max payouts. Let's go, work. Love it, King. Love the energy. Happy Monday. Good morning, bro. Good morning, chat. Let's everyone have a great day. Be patient, disciplined, wait for your setups. That's it, baby. Be patient, be disciplined, wait for the setups. I'm in a trade early this morning, family. Looking to see if we can hold this outside edge that I wanted to see the sellers kind of maintain. Stops are going to be up above the highs. We're already getting an ad on YouTube. Cool. Very cool. Yep, stops are going to be right here. Buy 10 stop. Risking about 50 bucks or so, probably 100 bucks total. See if we can get a rotation. Looking for the sellers to be in control. I think we could find some big selling today if they are. I'm going to go over and look at our actual NQ, see if I still like it. I do. Nice little reaction here. From here, we could find some selling, family. If we get through this opening print candle wick. Could easily hold here as well, but I want to see the sellers keep wicking up right here and defending this. Big selling today. Coop gets it. Show me the selling. Let's go. No audio, bro? Good morning, GPT. Can y'all hear me? Pat says got no audio. Starting to find some selling through this wick. If we can get this to hold, I'm going to break even on. Morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. We're already in a trade pretty early, just in some micros right now. Didn't have the gumption to go all in full size. Here we go, breaking the lows, putting our break even on now. Let's see this thing try to move for us. Up about $100. Nice little selling here. Yee. Should have had the confidence to take this with my actual minis. Beautiful move here. Good morning, folks. Welcome in, Dave. Welcome in, King. How do you feel, bro? I feel really good, Pat. I feel like the sellers are in control right now. I think we're doing our best. We're already be up a great trade had I taken this with our minis. Dang. Let's see the reaction down in towards this price. Wow. Sellers just showing themselves right here. Sellers absolutely showing themselves right now. Up a couple $100. Might be holding. I might just let this leave break even on. See if we can get a nice move back in and just keep this momentum going. Our break even's on, so nothing to be scared of here. Maybe can look for a position on the actual minis now. Starting to get the move down towards VWAP. Once we hit VWAP, I'll probably close my MNQ. If we can get a position before, that'd be nice. How do you feel, though, Pat? Welcome in. Happy Friday, or Monday. How was the weekend? How was the weekend? If we pull down in towards these 300s, I'm just going to exit. I'm actually just going to put my order down here now at the 303s. Buy 10 limit. See if we can get a move down towards those 303s. VWAP is 299, so I feel fairly safe about it. Life has been incredible. Let's fucking go, Pat. Dropping a W for that, King. Love the energy. More than excited to hear that. Love an incredible. NASDAQ pulling back up in towards this EMA now. I'm going to take an attempt at it. It's still early, actually. I'm going to let our MNQ play out. It's still pretty early, but let's just be patient. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. There it is, demand at the 288s. Okay. I like that then. I think we can go break those 288s at least. Oh, 258. Even better. Even more deeper. Even deeper into the selling there. Let's see if the sellers are going to keep this pressure. We had a nice push down in towards the 313s. Our break even's on. Nothing to worry about here. See if we can get some nice movement. Kind of tempted to take a mini position up to 350s. Try to ride these down in the 250s. Could be interesting. Could be a little interesting. Could be a little excited. Tori as well. A little too eager. I'm going to do it.
Order filled.
I'm in here now with minis as well. Wanting to see if we can continue this rotation. I like to pull back into the EMA. I like that we avoided the VWAP. A couple things to look for now. See the sellers take control of this EMA. Stops are going to be up and above. Probably closer to here. Buy 5 stops. Yeah. Closer towards these 381s. See if we can find some defense. Want to see these sellers take this thing right back down here. Show me some love, sellers. Would love to see VWAP. We're in an early trade, though, so never know. It's a good recovery so far. Here we go. Close strong for me, Nazi. Close nice and strong for us. Get down towards that price. No wick here. You guys know the rules. Want to see a big black no wick. Want to see the sellers keep trying this price. I don't love our reaction right now, the way that they're maintaining. I still believe sellers are in control, but I don't love the reaction at this EMA price. We might take some drawdown here. We're in at the 50s, risking the 80s. Not my favorite. It's a nice little doji. Come on, sellers. Last try here. Otherwise, we're going to be definitely underwater. Come on, sellers. Hold this EMA price right now. Here we go. Find deeper now. Big, no wicks. Can't see any more wicks out of here. Could get dangerous. Want to see a big closure. No wick. Just like that. Close strong for me now. Just like that. Close strong for us. Gonna put break even on now, family. No need to get crazy. These are new accounts. We want to try to do our best. Nice little rotation. I don't have a profit target yet. I'm going to let this see how we interact with VWAP before I decide. Come take out that VWAP, NASDAQ. Come on, sellers. Nice close here. There's the demand at the 258. Let break even and let it ride. We're break even and riding now, King. You said 258 a possible. Let me go buy 5 limit down here. See the reaction at VWAP. I want to see this thing get heavy through here and cut deep.
Order filled.
Just filled out of our MNQ position there. Here comes the VWAP on the NAS. I want to see some selling here. Cut through this VWAP for us. Might just take a little scalp here. I like the weight, but I don't know. Pat said 258s. I'm front running at the 265s. Could just get deeper selling if we find this through the VWAP. Might just cover here, family. Trying to decide. 258s could play. We could come take out these 270s as well. What are we thinking? Yeah, that was a nice little whip right there. Buyers getting filled. Damn. Great volume from a reaction at the VWAP. Let's see the sellers keep trying to load here. It's a nice reaction from the buyers at the VWAP. Gonna be patient. Want to see if we can get as much out of this as we can. Want to see get as much out of this as we can. Nice trade already. See the VWAP hold. I want to see the sellers cut through here. Tempted to take this closure here, family, but I also want to be patient and try to get as much as we can. I don't necessarily think this VWAP is going to be a trampoline, but let's find out. W King, let's see. Are these combines, or these are fundeds, Pat? Sorry, I'm so distracted, family. That's why I'm so focused. These are actual accounts we can get paid on. Hi, King Noah. Hope you're doing great. I would cover before just in case you can always re-enter. It's a good point, Pat. Can always get in again. Just want to see another try down here. Let's find some more selling. Find some more selling through this VWAP real quick. 41. We still have our 15-minute range forming. Find me the selling through here. Get heavy. Get heavy through this VWAP. I'm closing right there, family. I'm closing right there. I still think sellers in control. And I like the way we're auctioning, honestly. I think I got a little scared there, but I had to get out of there. Let's just make sure everything's closed. We got our nice MNQ. We made 330 on MNQ, and then with NAS, we made another 1,000. So we're up 1,300 on these new accounts, baby. Let's go. That's that demand. I covered. I appreciate the advice there, Pat. Great call. W, Paul, let's go. Pass my lucid 50Ks on those shorts. I should be able to activate to funded soon. Let's go, Dave. Glad you're a part of it, King. Let's go, GPT, Danny, and Noah. Love the energy. All right, family, we had to cover at VWAP there. We have 1,300 times 5 for our new accounts. Above 2,100 is the buffer, so we need another $800, and then we can start requesting daily payouts. Above 2,100, we can request daily payouts. Beautiful start to these trades, though, these accounts. Let's get it. Look at the dubs in here. Come on, Saucy. Happy to have you in, King. Hope the weekend was great for you. Bro, did you see that pie? Oh, King Noah, let's go. I still think sellers are in control here, family. We're still stuck below the EMA right now. I think I had to cover just for protection of the money, but I still like this. Close the orders on MNQ. Appreciate that so much. 201 the killer. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, seriously? 201? Huge thank you, King. I thought I did that, but no. So, really appreciate that. Yeah, it looked good, man. I think we sell off more here. The pie might come out looking just as good as going in. Come out looking just as good as going in. Is there a consistency? No consistency, Matrix. We could just make all the money today. I could make 3,100 today and make $5 grand. So if we made 3,100 today, we could request a $5,000 payout. Hypothetically, if I made another 1,800 bucks. Sellers still in control, bringing this right back in towards this VWAP. I still think I like it. I still think I like shorts here more. Let's be patient, but it's kind of what I'm seeing. So grateful for 201 right now to let us know. I thought I canceled all orders, but no. Great little short. Made 300 on our MNQ there. NASDAQ struggling at the VWAP. I think we're going to get a little weight now. Our box is in. Let's get our 15-minute range drawn out. Excuse me. Opening print candle was our indicator that we might have some selling. Here comes the bottom of the 15-minute range now. There's our 15-minute range. Just selling right now. Getting deeper into the range. Woo! We have hella liquidity too down to the downside, and I think we're in a bearish order flow on the higher time frame. Good trade, bro. I appreciate that a lot, Noah. I think so too. Overall, we have liquidity down below. Stuck in selling from previous sessions. Couldn't get above this midpoint. Found some more. So I still think shorts are very much the play right now. I think shorts are very much the play right now. Let's find out. Coming to the bottom of the 15-minute range. I think we could get pretty heavy into this 220s I could see us getting down into. Tempted to take an attempt here. Tempted to take an attempt here, but because we're right at VWAP, I'm going to be cautious. Buyers could get excitatory through here, so we have some decent profits. Let's not, risk anything crazy. 1,800 bucks, we could request a 5K payout, but we're not thinking like that. Sweeping the bottom of the 15-minute range now at the 280s. Let's see the reaction. We either spring load back inside of the range or the sellers get more volume here. Yo, Mo. No way. How you doing, King? How's the car? How are you doing since that car incident? Let's get that payout, King. Let's go, Matrix. Buyers on gold want to do something. Buyers on gold want to do something. Decent selling volume to push us through the range. Let's see if we get continuation now or if we're going to pop back into the range. We now have $3,200 for drawdown because of that trade. So we actually have more that we can even risk. I think sellers are in control right now, guys. I really do. I think sellers are in control right now. If we get a pull back up into the VWAP, I'm going to take an attempt at it. I think it's worth a try. I think it's worth a try. We can also be patient, though. It's in the garage for such a small accident. Fuck the insurance. Dang, Mo. Sorry to hear that, King. Yeah, insurance is always going to come after that. It's painful, though. That was I did not like hearing that. You had to go through that. Here come the buyers. I kind of want to try a short at these VWAP, but I'm nervous. A little nervous. I'm long. See, Pat's going long. I want to take a short here at the VWAP, but Pat's long. Sob, how we doing, King? I'm doing great. We're up 1,300 on these new accounts. I made a pie over the weekend, brother. Oh, you should see that thing. It was gorgeous. Have some more, always improvements, so things to work on. Making dough is tough, but it took me like 3 tries to even get the dough right. But now that the dough was right, the pie came out stellar. How you doing, though? How is Isla? How are you doing? How's your daughter? Kind of want to take these shorts. That pizza looks amazing. Insane, King. Hey, Mo, let's go, brother. Means the most. Buyers still struggling to push back in the range. Stuck below VWAP. Stuck below the EMA. Making pie, making dough. Love that. Let's go. Absolutely. Does that sound like a life? Making some pie and making some dough. Pat's long. Looking to see if we can find a reaction here. I personally want to find sellers, I think. It's tricky, though. It's really a tricky spot to be in overall here. I think sellers are in control, but we already sold off from the highs this morning, so I don't want to get stuck on the wrong side of it. How did you make the crust like that, Ty? Took 3 attempts at even making the actual dough. I couldn't get it to, behave. It was too dry, so I had to add more moisture to get my moisture level up. And then I just had the little, I made my little dough ball, let it rest for a couple hours, and then you lock in the crust by circling around it and just really solidifying it. Hold on here, family. Decompress buying, trying to get through this VWAP. I really think sellers are going to win this. I want to be patient, but I think sellers are in control right now. Part of me wants to take a short here at this VWAP. Decompress buying volume. We try to push through the range. Buyers try to reclaim it, but are struggling to. Sell 5 limit. I have 5 shorting at the 298s. Might not get up there again, but that's where I'm looking right now. EMA could be our only obstacle here. Good morning, all. Love to see the green, Tyler. Good morning, Diego. Welcome in, King. Means the most. We have a decent buffer now, an extra 1,300 in buffer. Just got tapped into those shorts there at the VWAP. Could get pretty insane here if they hold, so I'm not going to look for much. Want to see the sellers try to maintain this position. Decent little move there. See this close strong for us, NASDAQ. Big black no wick through this VWAP. I want to see the sellers reclaiming this and defending this price well. Got to cut through that EMA. Got to cut through the EMA and start touching, reaching back toward the bottom of the 15-minute range. Let's go buy 5 stops. Stops are going to be in. Going to put the break even on soon if we can break through the bottom of the 15. Through the bottom of the 15, we're going to put our break even on. Come on, no wick. Show me the strong closure here, Nazi. Show me the sellers. Get through this 15-minute bottom. Nice little reaction here. Show me the cut now. Break even's going to be on if we can cut a couple more points lower. There it goes. Break even's on. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? What the fuck was that, NASDAQ? Break even's on. We're riding. We're riding. We're going to look for... Realistically, I want to see down here break. Down towards the low a day. Come on, sellers. Show me some love here. Buy 5 limit down at the lows. We're looking for the 225s for an exit here. I think sellers are in control. We just got to try to keep cutting through the bottom of this 15-minute range. Come on, sellers. Cut through this bottom of this 15 here. I might put our risk up above this candle just so I can assure we don't get a wick out, but I want to see the selling momentum. Come on, big black, no wick. Strong close through the 15 here. Nice closure there. If we do look for this move, I like the 225 exit. Here come the sellers. See if we can get this to lock out for us. Here come the 250s. Do we feel safe for the 25 here? Feels decent. Nice closure. Break even's on. Here come the 240s. I'm looking for a 225 exit. Front running the bottom of the wick of the daily candle. Get down there, Nazi. Beautiful selling volume. Beautiful selling volume into the 240s. Tempted to take it off here. I also think sellers are in control, so I'm tempted to leave it. Tempted to take this off, but I think they're in control, so I'm tempted to leave it as well. Let's see something here. Show me the 225s, Nazi. Decent little reaction at the 240s. Keep an eye on that. I wanted to see these wicks get traded. I'm actually going to adjust our trading to the bottom of this wick. So I'm looking for the 232s now, family. Trail it. 2K profit in day one. Holy tie a demon. Pass my eval. Let's go, queen. Let's go. They try to screw you. I don't know, Noah. 2K profit. Trail it. I'm in longs here. Mars looking longs now. That scares me. Considering maybe exiting that. I'm looking for the 232 before I look for a flip. Gonna be patient here. I like the 30s for a fill potential. Come on, NASDAQ. Mars long. No, I don't love that. Looking for a rotation towards these daily lows. Looking for the 32s. Good reaction there by the buyers or the sellers. Just want to see one more attempt at the lows here. One more attempt. Go front run these wicks. We're looking at the 32. That's front. Change my order by like 10 points there. Come on, sellers. Win this price. Win this price one time. Big battle at these 250s. This is where Pat said that demand is. Pretty decent battle here. Here we go, sellers. Cut deep now. Cut deep now. Come bring us down lower. I'm going to start trailing this. Trailing profit as well. I'm going to trail our stop loss. Our profit target. And both. Still going to look for the 220s, but if we break this low, I'm going to adjust this one as we go. Cut down there, Nazi. Cut down there. Oh, I don't want to see this thing wick after double tapping that bottom like that. You need to see this thing close strong. Buyers are trying to load up at this price. Very clear. Very clearly, buyers are interested in it, which makes me think that if we be patient, we could get a bigger rotation to the sell side. I'm gonna keep trying to trail this thing appropriately. It's tricky with the way that we're auctioning. Come on, find me the sellers through this bottom. Go rip. Big black no wick now. Just like that. Heavy. Get heavy. We're gonna look for a full exit here. Trailing our profit. Looking for a 225 exit still. We're pinched. We're pinched. Come on, sellers. I think we have room to look for more of the way that we're auctioning at this price. I'm going to look lower and bring our profit lower, or stop lower. So I'm just riding this thing down, family. I want to see these 220s be taken out, but I'm going to be looking for lower just in case we get aggressive. Trailing my profit. Come on, come get heavy through here. Go get this bottom low and get heavy through there. Go slice some orders. I full exited right there, family. Full exit. Full exit right there. Another 1,400. Woo! All right. Sorry, I stopped reading y'all's stuff. Come on, Danny. Let's go. Stopped out. Sellers in control. Small L. Amazing trading tie. Look at your profits. Let's go. Sorry, Pat. Thanks, Danny. Doesn't bother me. I followed my strategy. So W. Definitely a W. Sellers are heavy right now. Holy shit. Yeah, Mark. Got wild down there. Great mindset, Pat. Was in for funded or eval. Bro, Ty, chill. Save money for us. In drawdown on longs. Currently good trade, Ty. Let's go, Mar. Good luck, King. Hope you get a bounce back. 5K payout Matt, right there, Ty. Go. Wait, 5K payout right there for Ty. Not yet, Danny. We need another 300 bucks and we can make 5K. Go big. Let's go. Boom. Let's fucking go, family. Love the energy. Yo, if we haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button, family. Great start to the week right now. 2,800 in 5 accounts on these new 50Ks. Woo! Come on. Show some love to that like button. Sellers still very much in control right now as well. We had to take the exit there, but overall, decent trading. Do we go for the $300 and then take a 5K payout tonight? Is that what you guys feel? Should we go for 300 bucks and make a 5K? I wish I was thinking, because I would have just put my profit. Where did I get out? 15 points lower, so 208, 205. Yeah, 208 would have been our full TP there. Makes me feel weird. I didn't get it. I got a partial of it. Thought got stop break even. Glad it played out for you. Appreciate that, Noah. W, bounce back is real. Let's go, Max. Just another day, King. Protect profits, switch to MNQ, and go for base hits to lock a payout. Go with micros, though. Okay, family, I like that. I activated the Lucy 50K and took shorts with you. 3 MNQ plus 460 on the new funded. Dave, crushing the markets right now. Let's go, King. Stoked for you. Nope, no need. Secure that payout, King. You deserve it. Let's fucking go, Mo. I appreciate you. Appreciate every single one of y'all stopping in, sharing your morning. Market just flipped to 10 o'clock. It's been open for 30 minutes now. Let's be patient. Good trade, King. Let's go, Corey. Happy Monday, sir. Hope you're doing great. Family, there's the 208s. That would have been our full TP. That would have been full TP right there. Sellers are very much in control this morning. We have a lot of opportunities, still an hour to go. Let's do what we can here. Each account's following nicely, so that's sexy. Here come the 200 whole number. Damn, the sellers right now, 190s. This is why I was nervous to exit at that price, guys. Because I just knew that we could get something like this too. This is the actual continuation, short hunting the lows. This is us really starting to go hunt those lows. It feels like we're a lock to go get the rest of these wicks down here at these 130s. Nothing's a lock, but it feels like we're almost a lock to go get those 130s. Let's be patient and see if we can find another great opportunity. Right now, the NASDAQ has done nothing but respect the EMA all the way down. So let's be patient, see what we can do. I told you, go big. You did tell me go big, Noah. He said, move your profit. Get out of the way. I guess properly looking back, what I should have done is continue to trail my stop and just kept riding. I got full exit there and just panicked the button, but make sure no orders are sitting on. Nothing crazy going on here. No, looks good. Looks good. Looks like we're doing the thing. This gray line on my chart at the 223s family is the daily price of open. So above that, we're going to be printing bullish. Below is printing bearish. Right now, we're obviously flipping over to the bear side. Profit is profit. Good short, brother. Thank you, Mar. Means a lot, King. Profit is profit. We can't be upset about it, but dang, I could have put that at 208, my profit, wrote it down, and then be done, locked in a 5K payout right now. Guys, Tradeify is at 8-2, right? Or 9-1. I think they're an 8-2, and I think, does anybody know if they take out a split above the 10K? So do they let you take out your first 10K without any splits? Or do they let me, or am I going to get split if I take out the 10K? And then also, is it 8-2 or 10 or 9-1? Does anybody know? I think I'm going to be patient. I think we could get a rotation back up and towards the VWAP, and I'm going to look for continuation from there. Yo, there's already 22 incredible people hanging out, spending the morning. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't yet, join this conversation, hop in this chat. And if you haven't shown the like button any love yet, please do that. It helps a lot. Easiest way to support the stream. We're crushing this Monday, getting a little bit of momentum. So let's keep the vibes high. I'm a top step trooper, bro. I don't know. Fair enough, Noah. Fair enough, King. Kind of insane that all you had to do so far is hit the sell button. We're just printing lower and lower and lower and lower. These are the type of days to make money on. As long as you have the confidence to ride them. Your Tradeify accounts are 9-1. Let's go. I love that, Dave. They're 9-1, and then do you know, Dave, if the first 10K is untouched or if they split the first 10K as well? Wow, sellers into the 172s, family. I think the 130s feel pretty much like a lock here. Don't know if we get there right away. Here comes the low of day. Nothing but selling. Does MFF update your account straight away or end of day? Does anyone know? I think it's end of day, Danny, but I'm not sure of that. I think it's end of day, though. Tradeify's end of day as well there. Sellers in control right now, down into the 170s. We're up 2,800 on 5 accounts. Best day we've had in a long time. Might not take any more trades. Not sure. Only if it's super sexy. End of day. Thank you, Diego. Appreciate that for Danny. End of day, Danny. I kind of think 130s, those hunting the wicks, hunting low a day here is going to be a decent target. How we get there, I'm not sure. One thing I ain't gonna do, Ty, is lie. Let's go, Noah. He told me to look. He said, go big. He said, this is your chance, kid. Get paid. And I'm like, I gotta full close here. I was like, I don't know. I gotta full close here. I think we could start printing bullish slightly. I think we could start printing bullish out of this price. Possibly. No, 10K, 100%, flat, 90%. No, 10K, 100%, and then flat, 90% after that. So first 10,000 on Tradeify, they let you get your 10K untouched. After that, they're going to split 90-10. I love it. Thank you, Dave. Yeah, top tier out of Tradeify with that one. The new wick forming down here at the lows. Buyers trying to get excited. Biggest selling volume candle of the day to rip us down into the 270 or the 200s. Price didn't push through much lower. Buyers try to hold. See what happens here. No. Oh, so I'm still reading it wrong. Got you. So never mind. 10K no matter what. They're always splitting 9-10. Always splitting the 9-1. No 10K safety. I got you. And I'm 6 months in trading. Still trying to get a feel for trading. And honestly, you are the GOAT. You are too, kid. TJ... TL Kid? TLKJD? What up, kid? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Means a lot. 6 months is still a great amount of time, man. You're starting your journey. Be excited with yourself. Be cautious. It takes time. It takes a long time, and then all of a sudden things start working out for you, and you're gonna be doing the same thing. If you watch back, bro, trading is all cyclical. I went well, and I started losing, and now I'm starting to win a little bit. It's just depending on how the market respects your strategy or it doesn't. It takes time. But you're on the process, and I'm excited for you. Is this daily payout accounts? Yes, sir, Paul. Just activated this morning. Red pill style daily payouts. A buffer of 2,100. Anything above that, you can request a payout. So hypothetically, today we could request a $3,500 payout. They would take 10%. So I'd make like $3,200 if I took a payout today. But I kind of want to just go for the max. Hit our 5K payout. Get $300 more, and we can do that. We'll see. We'll see. Don't want to get too crazy. Nice buying volume here to push us through. I wouldn't mind a short if we get another VWAP interaction. Might not even get up that high, but... He took off my volume. But why did you take off my volume? I was using that. Kind of really weird, actually. That's what that weird lag was. Market depth. I'm trying to remember what it was. I think it was volume. No, might have been market depth then. Market depth. Huh? Where did my volume over here go? Like my little Oh well. You don't want me to win. I get it. Sellers still showing themselves up at the 220s. Dang, take some. Let's go, Paul. 3,000K. Big money. Let's go, Danny. All right, King. I'm off to work. Nice W. Might come back to trade later. Hey, have a good session at work, King. Happy to have you here. Good luck at the old JOB. And if you do come back, man, I hope the charts treat you good. I'm back. I almost did something I was going to regret on with my own capital. Oh, work. I'm glad you hesitated and didn't do it, King. No need to. Trade prop people's money. Trade prop money. It's cheaper. Kind of interested to see what happens in around this price right here, these 190s. Like, I wouldn't mind taking a small chance long, but because we have profits, I don't need to. But I think longs could hold at these 200s here. Will you get more accounts with other props and then just copy trade it all? Very, very possible, Danny. I'm starting to feel more comfortable with Tradeify finally. And Tradeify offers, you know, all the other prop firms. So we could trade at Apex with 20 and go on so forth. So, I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's just focus on these accounts. Let's get some payouts locked in. Ideally, we can lock in. This is the goal, family. Okay, hear me out. I wanted a 30K week. That'd be a 5K payout every day, Monday through Friday. Oh, I want to tell you guys right now, I will not be here Friday. I'm so sorry. I hate it. I haven't missed stream in a long time, and I literally hate that I have to miss stream Friday. But it is nearing the end of the year, and I have to utilize my mom's insurance before I get kicked off of it. I got to go get a dentist appointment. They're going to touch me up, and the only spot that was available was for this Friday at 9 o'clock. So right when the market's getting sexy, and I won't be able to be here with you guys, and it breaks my heart. But so Monday through Thursday, let's have a 5K payout all the way through. That would be 5K each day times 4, or no, yeah. So it'd be 20K. We could have 20K this week. Will you get more accounts? Sellers still very much in control right now, cutting us back below the EMA. I think the 130s are almost a lock. Nothing's a lock, but it feels like it. You don't even know, brother. That would have been something I haven't done in years and almost did it today. Work. I'm so glad, bro. The discipline. That means that you're getting better, King. If you would have done that years ago and you fought the urge, you're getting better. I'm glad you fought the urge, though. No need to do that, bro. Risk that. Even though I'm not going to lie to you, if it was shorts, although you said gold, you were talking about gold. Gold moving. You're going to take some gold longs. Here comes another sweep of the low here. Just took out the bottoms. Let's see what the reaction of the price is now. 130s is the low a day, which I also think we could go get snapped through, but we'll see. I love this trading stuff, man. I swear to God. Just even seeing stuff like this play out is fire. I know, Noah. Knowing that this is just real liquidity, transacting at all times. This is enough to change your life at any moment. Guys, I woke up with no money today and get to potentially go to bed with the 5K payout or, you know, a little bit less depending on what we do. But think about how crazy that of an opportunity that is. Tradeify. Also, guys, at 2 o'clock today, okay, I have a Zoom meeting with Joe from Tradeify to discuss maybe a partnership so we can get an affiliate code for them for Trading for Freedom. Weird. They put me in like a long email chain. They had to check out all of my channels and everything. They had to then hop on Zoom. It's really different. No other platforms are acting like that, but it'll be cool. We're gonna have our conversation today at 2 and see if we can actually get with them. I almost took it, not gonna lie, brother. My broker would have kicked me out personally. What was the trigger, King? What made you want to do it? Just seeing the momentum, seeing the volume. What about today was different? If you haven't done it in years and made you want to get in there. What made you want to get in there? You fought the urge, but yo, there's 20 incredible people hanging out, spending the morning. Thank you so much, guys. It really means the most. I appreciate every single one of you guys here, and it means just our community is getting stronger, bigger, better. We're getting a lot more talented as traders individually, and then collectively our community is just getting better. So thank you so much for being a part of it, guys. Right now, NASDAQ still just holding completely at the lows at the 2.8 at the 180s. The 132 is low a day. At that little red line is the low a day. Could be interesting if we start heading towards it. Market's only been open for 43 minutes. Still so much opportunity today. Don't get stuck in any FOMO. Sellers are been in control, but things are going to play out. I didn't realize either, guys, but this big buy volume candle that brought us right to this gray line, which is that daily inversion price. So anything above this, we're printing bullish. Below, we're printing bearish. We pushed right up to it, and sellers defended. So still think they're in control to at least see the 130s, potentially. You never know. You never know what you don't know. You never know what you don't know. So if we take a 5K payout, you have to be above the 2100 buffer. So we'd have $3,100 in there. We can take out 1,000 out of each account. They take 10%, so they're going to take 500. So we make 4,500 today, possibly. Ty, what you use for lighting? I have like a $400 I forget what they're called. Fucking something light. I forget what it's called. Something light. Some studio light that I got for that. And then I also have some lighting behind. I have 2 Govee light candles, light sticks. They can change the colors. I have an orange one on this side and a blue one on this side. That's, you see the references, the colors. That pizza you posted on IG looks amazing, brother. Work. Thank you so much. That was honestly, no bullshit, the highlight to my week or my weekend. Like, I had a feeling that we were going to have a good week after that. It was my first time ever making a homemade pie. I was been wanting to do it for so long. Pizza is one of my favorite fucking meals. Sellers defending the EMA, pushing us right back towards these 130s here, family. Getting close to low a day. Interesting. I think we're going to get a big old snap boner candle to go push us through the lows. From there, we'll see what happens. But, yeah, I wanted to make a pie for the first time ever. I tried doing an overnight dough because that's how you get it, like, a lot of flavor, a lot of fermentation. Ruined that dough. So I had to do a same-day dough for yesterday. Just gave it, like, 4 hours to proof on the side of the counter. Amazing. Now that I know how to do it, I cannot wait to get better at them because they're so much fun. And, wow, so much flavor also. I made some pies at work this weekend. No way. Let's go, Sobs. Yo, I thought about you while I was making it, King. I was like, this is what the man told me to do. And, yeah, that overnight dough was not easy. I just didn't have it dry, and it wasn't wet enough. It was too dry. My moisture level was off. So it wouldn't, like, hold on to itself. But the second time, went in with heavier water. Made it nice. I took a picture, but don't got Instagram. I'm old. Get that on Instagram, and then get on there so we can share our pizza pictures together. Don't you want to see my pie pics? Take a pic of my pie? Come on, Sobs. Wow. Had we just held our original short, huh? We'd be big cheesing. Big grinning and stuff. Had we taken our original position, we'd be big grinning and stuff. Look how easy this momentum is. Bink. Every pop you could be selling and getting ripped and getting paid for it. Isn't that disgusting? Kind of feels bad. Any pop you could have sold and made money on. How often does that happen in the NASDAQ? Sub on that Facebook, huh? That FB, the meta. Don't you mean meta? Don't you mean meta work? It's meta and everybody knows it. Not Twitter, it's X. And everybody knows it. Yeah, we still prefer Facebook and we still prefer Twitter. Go back. Why do you call pizza pie? I just think that's what they're called a pie. I think it's an American thing, Danny. I don't know. It's called a big old pie. New Yorkers. Ah, it's a good slice of pie, bud. Nice little slice of pie. Pie or za? Za is another good one. The Zamboni, little slice of za. Here come the 130s, family. There's low a day getting flicked. All you had to do all morning was hit sell button, sell any rip. Coming to be profitable. Don't let him fool you, Danny. It's an East Coast thing. It's an American thing, you know, a New Yorker thing. It's a pie. A little slice of the za. What made you take shorts for today before market open? I didn't take shorts before market open, King. I always load up around like 9:15, 9:20. That's when I start looking at the charts. And what I saw was this overnight buying. So we had this overnight, obviously Fridays. So keep in mind previous session still. Friday still had drastic selling, right? Crazy range put in Friday. Still struggled to push up through these VWAP, meaning the indicator or indicating sellers are still in control. We closed near the lows. Yesterday price opened. We kind of trickled up, overnight trickled. We took out all these little buy side liquidity. Set our high day right here above this like next spot where I'm expecting this to be a kind of a flip spot, supply demand above. Above this, I'm gonna be starting to look bullish. Below or bearish. Buyers got, sellers got respected below, so now below or bearish. And then once our opening print candle right here, this candle, this very first opening print candle, rejecting that high and pushing us deep, and then stuck below the EMA. This was my indicator to take a short. Literally, I took that first short off the MNQ. I was in a trade at 931 because of that rejection candle. That ended up playing through for us, and then from there, sellers just kept being in control. So we just kept showing every dip, every little pop we'd sell. And there we did, 119. NASDAQ took out the lows. We now tapped into the wicks here. Potential double bottom forming. Be patient now. Let's see what happens. The easy transaction to just hit the sell button is kind of over. No expectations on where we could go now. Let's find out. Never heard of it before. Pie for me is a big piece of sweetness. Yeah, when I first heard it too, I was like, huh? But now all I call it is a pie. Give me a little pie. I also made some pumpkin pie this weekend too. So yeah, I had some pie and then I had some pie. I had a pie for dinner and then I had a little pie for dessert. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like baking. Love cooking. It's one of my favorite things to do. If I have the weekend, and that's the thing, like weekends have never hit harder for me. Prior to this, I was working 7 days a week, 6-7 days a week. There was no weekend for me. The last couple months I've been taking weekends off, so it feels really nice. And then obviously with trading, the markets end Friday, so I have like really no responsibility on the weekends, just completely just freedom. And I've been feeling really nice, so I've been enjoying my time with the food. Where I share this pie, I'm on Instagram. Where I share this pie, dude, Tyler Cam, follow me on Insta. I'm gonna follow you back immediately, and then DM me a little picture of that pie, and I'm gonna show you mine. Actually, you might be able to see mine on my story still. Let me know. Mine still might be there. But I made 2, and my second was better, so I'll show you the second one. I got to work, Ty. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Proud of you. You're going to kill it this week. No, it means a lot, King. Thanks for stopping in, brother. And I hope your week is stellar, too. Good start to the week yourself. See you tomorrow, King. May we ride. There he is. There's the sobs. No way. Give you a follow back. I'm your first follower, King. Yo, can you still see it on my story? Yeah, you can. Look at that Zob. I'm going to send you it, though, Sobs, the second one. Because my second one was even better. Hey, just trying to show my friend my pizza. Can I do that, please? I just sent it to you. That second one, I'm so proud of the shape on them and everything. Tyler, with your daily drawdown, it increases to 4% when your profit gets to 6%. So when you get to 3K profit, your buffer increases to 2K daily loss. No way. According to Tradeify mod, Dave, thank you so much for the insight. I did not know that. Because with these accounts right now, guys, you have a max loss of of $1,000 every day. You have a daily loss limit of $1,000. Helps you protect the accounts, obviously. I did not know that. If we can get to 3K, apparently it changes to 2. Interesting. Interessante. That. Appreciate the insight, Dave. Yo, that looks fire for your first time. Sob, it was fucking great, dude. Literally my first pie ever. And that crust on that and the fucking shape of it. I'm so proud of that pie, honestly. That was like a moment. I literally could not have had a bad night after that. After that moment happened, I was just grinning from ear to ear. So excited. I have more shit I want to make tonight for more dough. Good morning, Amin. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you, brother. You missed some of the selling. You missed some of the direction. Just straight one-sided. Oh, sobs. That pie looks fucking exceptional too, dude. Nice Parmesan Reggiano. A little bit of oregano on there. I like your sauce spots too. You don't go too heavy on the cheese. I'm a light cheese type of guy. Yeah, that's a pretty pie, King. Nice little pan size too. You make the dough from scratch every week? Bro, I'm going to need that recipe because that's been the hardest part for me. Mine was too dry. Sellers still nothing but control, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every single time you get a double candle pop-up, short it. Double candle pop-ups, short it. Sellers still in control. Here come the 100s. Wow. King Noah was right, guys. We should have left our fucking orders. We left our orders on. Woo-wee. Wow. Here come the 100s and the NASDAQ officially sweeping out the lows here. I take shorts too, but I was watching Morocco playing football. Hey, worth it. I'm glad you're enjoying your time, King, and I'm glad you made some money on the shorts. NQ looking for Friday's low. Just took them out. We just took out Friday low. Getting aggressive. NASDAQ is just getting aggressive right now. Holy shit. Excuse me. 50-point candle to take out the lows. That's a 50-point candle to take out the lows right there, family. I have to assume the sellers are just winning this. Edgar Plant, yo, what up, King? First time seeing your name, chatter. Welcome to the family. Appreciate you for being here. Hope the charts are treating you well. Ooh, why out early? That's what I'm saying, Amy. Why did I close early? Up 900 on a new eval. Nice selling. So she's passed her MFF, and now she's up 900 on a new eval. Let's fucking go, queen. That is how you do it. God, I'm proud of you. Good trading, Danny. Yo, there's already 22 people hanging out, guys. Thank you so much for spending your morning. If you haven't yet, show the like button some love. It's the easiest way to support the stream if you find any value. And if you're not a part of this community, you're doing yourself a big disservice. You're being weird. We have the best traders, best community around. We're getting better every day. We support each other. Hop in, tap in, be a part of it. Sellers right now, nothing but control from high a day to low a day. One-sided. We sold off about 350 points, just one direction. I can only get a new eval if I pass one. Very happy with how today's been going. For you too, man. Let's go, queen. I like that rule. If you pass, then you can play. And you did. And now you're crushing. And now you have another account up. 900 too. Like did that mean that you went with a mini? Did you go with a mini right there? NASDAQ into the 50s. Just more selling. Just more selling. Oh, sobs, Isla. God, what a cutie, man. What an adorable little cutie, man. Holy shit. 25K coming. Wow. I didn't even think about that, but that is exactly what's coming. 25,000 whole number in the NASDAQ. Feels like that's what we're looking for. One mini for the first 1,500, then slowing it down for the rest. It's a great strategy. Get that halfway and then base hits. Get halfway and then just base hits. We need 15 points with one mini to get our max payout today. Are we a dick for a tick? Are we a dick for a tick? Do we look for 300 here to get a max payout? Do we assume it's the same pattern where all I have to do is short these this volume? G morning, G. Yo, what up, Whites? Happy to have you back, King. Good Monday morning, sir. Hope you're doing great. The weekend was well for you. God, do I take a short at these 100s? Do we look for the points? Do we just satisfy with our 28? What do we think, family? What are you pondering, sir? Check that video link. Last one. You're going to love it. Bet. Tyler, are you chasing a trade? Just take the 790 by 5. Walk away. Damn, Dave. Hit me with the facts. That man hit me with it. Don't be a dummy. Oh, Dave. How you speak makes me think you're right. Oh, wait, what was that? Wait, what was this? Sob sent me a link. It's on Meta. What is this? Welcome to Horizon Worlds. It's making me sign up for something. I'll check it out after, Sob. It's making me sign up for something. What is that? Maybe. Is that a virtual golf? Is that a virtual golf sim right now? Doing good in you? Whites, I'm doing great, King. Had a great weekend. Made some pie over the weekend. And now we're in trades with these new Tradeify 50k's. We get to take daily payouts out of these, and we're up 2,800 in each account. Kind of looking for the last little bit, but Dave kind of corrected me, saying don't chase. Take the 790 by 5. It'd only be 690 by 5, Dave. It's a $100 buffer. VWAP is here on the 1-day time frame. This is the VWAP on the daily, Danny. Insane. These 25,000s is the VWAP daily. Oh, okay. It's a Meta VR video I took of me golfing while trading with the kings and queens. No shit. I'll definitely check it out. I'll sign up for whatever it wants me to and check it out, subs. W Daytide, take this, brother, and protect yourself. I appreciate that word. I do. I want to protect the profits, lock it in. Also, though, we have extra buffer. So we have almost $5,000 in buffer. I should utilize that to go for it, right? Should utilize our 5K in buffer to go for it. On a day where it's providing like this, right? Or no? Nah, no sweat. Don't sign up for that BS. LOL. All right, word. Don't let greed get you. Hit me with that again, Queen. You right. I don't want to be greedy. Don't want to be greedy. It's just hard because right now, the market's not always going to respect you. So while it's respecting you, you have to be willing to play. I have more drawdown than I normally would ever. Right now, the volume's there. The selling's there. It feels like it's a time to participate and go for it. Tell him, Danny. She has been kind to you. She really has. She really has. Which is why I feel like you're right. She's respecting us right now, which makes me think we should take advantage of the respect. But maybe not. Really, all she's doing is just going one direction. Just selling off. We're getting to be a part of it. Another EMA pullback. History says we hold here. Good job. You showed up every day. W's in the chat. Let's fucking go, GPT. You show up every day too, King. You show up every day. You show support. And you trade well. You're right there. It's going to be a moment of time for you to get your payouts. We're not out of the woods yet. Still want to have a good week. We can make $300 today and then another 1,000 tomorrow. It's another 5,000. Now we're above the buffer. We just got to keep making our $1,000. We can keep getting paid, hypothetically. Here come the buyers, pushing us up through the EMA at the 100 for the first time all morning. For the first time all morning. Part of me is tempted to take a long here, guys. Biggest sell volume we've had. Price was unable to keep pushing lower. Buyers are starting to reclaim the EMA. Think we could find a little bit of a panic reaction to the upside from here. Don't know. Not sure. Oh, right. I'm not sure, darling. Sorry. Very good. Proper. Oh, word. I wish I would have just moved my original order 8 points lower. Waited 3 minutes, and I'd be done trading. And I still should be done trading. I still should, hypothetically. Y'all are right. I should protect my shit. V recovery. Diego. That could be spicy. I've seen it before on the NASDAQ. That's the thing. I have seen it before. I don't know, though. I don't know. Retest on Friday low now. That's exactly what we're expecting there. A little Friday low retest. Also opening print price retest essentially at the 133s. Anything below the 130s, we should be pretty bullish. I mean bearish. Excuse me. Sorry for that. Are you taking 790 by 5 on these? Oh, Corey, it's a good question, King. Technically, the buffer is 2,100, so we'd only be able to take 700, not 800. So 700 times 5 would be 3,500. They take 10%, 350. So we'll make like $3,100 if we took a payout right now. If I make the last $1,500 that we need, we could take 4,500 out. So it's like a $1,400 difference to make 15 points. Kind of tempted to go for the 15 points, but I don't know. I don't know, darling. You guys, what do you guys think? I know half of y'all think it's greedy. My thing is we have the drawdown to a forward right now, and the market is giving a lot of range. Take the 3,100, fella. It's a good point. I mean, Dave's been right there. Someone call Tyler's sister and tell her to slap him. Ty, 30 more minutes. Let them markets do whatever it wants. Tomorrow will be your day. Run it up a little bit more because it takes long to get funded with this new action. Oh, shit. We do only have 30 minutes left before we're going to get out of here anyway, like Work's saying. Tomorrow will be another good day opportunity, hopefully. Finally, December is just moving, right? Because we were stuck in some shit price action for most of December. So the fact that it's moving right now is just the enticement to play. We're actually getting price to facilitate. Let's go look at the daily chart. Get an idea of what the daily looks like. Right, so we defended this high. Started to roll over a little bit. Nice selling candle put in for the daily yesterday for Friday. And then today's price tried as well and still looking like it's finding some selling. So I could imagine us somehow getting back up towards high a day here, though. Like Diego was saying, I could literally see a world in which we recover out of this thing. It's gross, but we've seen it before. And now that we swept out all these lows, I don't know. Comes down to your mentals. If you're confident, do it. If not, take your well-deserved payout. You already got the 20 likes as well. It's just a great day already, brother. Let's go. Work. I didn't even know that. Already got the 20 likes. Thank you so much, family. That support means so much. No, lock the accounts today, but long term, run the accounts up a little bit more before payout. I think I might do that. I might not even take a payout today. So I'm gonna lock these in, and then tomorrow trade and hopefully hit 4,100. So then we can lock out 2 days of 1,000, maybe. I don't know. Just want to be smart about it. Because tomorrow at this point, we're only gonna have the 2,700 in drawdown. We're gonna lose our $1,000. It's tricky. Part of me wants the payout just because it'd be nice. Part of me is confident in the fact that the sellers are in control right now. But I don't know. If you don't take a payout tomorrow, there's no reason to not trade more today, silly goose. If you don't take a payout tomorrow, there's no reason to not trade more today. Yeah, with the drawdown, honestly, you're not wrong there. You're not wrong if we are gonna wait. Otherwise, I want the payout. It just feels like kind of want to short these 99s. It just feels dangerous. Pay yourself. Guys, there is nothing wrong with keeping trading if you're taking an A+ setups and you have good momentum, but just trading to make an extra 300 in a funded account, don't do that. He's exactly right. That's the thing though, Dave, is like the momentum, the volume is here and the momentum is here. But there's no A+ setups right now, so if it's an A+, it's fine, otherwise forget it. Yeah, exactly. He did drop facts, didn't he? Work. I like that right there, Dave. Trade the setup, not the P&L. Y'all are absolutely correct. If it's a good setup, I'm going to take it. Otherwise, we're going to be patient. And a good setup for me is going to be pushing back up in towards these prices. I'm going to take a short. Is really the best setup I see. Pushing up into like the 220s. But, I mean, we have $700 that we can take out of each account right now. Buyers are trying to maintain this EMA for the first time. First time we've had a decent consecutive closure above the EMA. Let's see the reaction. I'm not going to lie, though. For the daily, sellers are very much in control. I could see this thing doing a nasty little V recovery, but I'd be surprised if we go back all the way. We have a lot of obstacles to push through. Sellers feel like they are just on a mission today. Like they had a purpose. They came out with a purpose and they made it happen. This was the easy low to see swept. But now that it's swept, I don't know necessarily where we go from here. We had a lot of easy selling. Love December for sales. I have an Amazon merch shop and have 11 sales already today. Let's go, Danny. Fun in those accounts one way. I love it. Tough situation, honestly. It kind of is, GPT. Like it truly kind of is in a tough spot right now. I don't know. I don't know what I've been told. Someone here is getting old. Sellers are still looking like they want it to work. Another leg down. What you doing? Another leg down would be nice. It would, Queen. Especially if it was just nice and clean and easy. I just feel like it's officially gonna start at least chopping, but potentially reversing, just to offer some more prices. We're gonna at least chop. I don't see any momentum. We're not gonna push ranges. I don't feel so. We'll see though. Excuse me. It's exciting to think this is true as well, family. We could do another day like this tomorrow, make another 25, 2,700 bucks, and have like 3 payouts, three 5K payouts we can take. So that'd be interesting. It's 10:41. Are we gonna get a sexy setup or no? Let's find out. Are we going to get a sexy setup here or no? Let's find out. NASDAQ officially, for the first time, starting to hold these lows down. Could be interesting. Kind of want to take an attempt at this price. See if we can get a little push to the upside here. Although, I'm not going to lie to you, longs at all today is not really it. Like, if you take a long today, it's because you have something. A beautiful setup or something telling you to. Would like to maybe get long from the 54s. Yeah, 54 might not get a 54 fill. I like the patience that if you did though, Sobs. Let's see if we can even reclaim these 130s. This is the Friday low, the 130s. See if we can even take out Friday or reclaim Friday's lows. Got to at least get that before you want to start looking longs. But then if you get a 154 fill or an 054, you have such a tight stop that it could work as well. So, I don't know. NASDAQ back at the 130s. This is Friday's low. We've already pushed it to it once, rejected back to the towards these below the hundreds, but buyers reclaimed it. Let's see if we can get some continuation through here now. It's decompressed buying volume, which is making me actually a little bearish. We'll see though. I'm gonna be smart and lock out. Up 1,600 on my combines. Need 2K to pass my 5/150s. That's it. You're up 7K on them, GPT. Good trading, King. Just 2,000 more to go, brother. And you have pretty much max allocation funded. It's badass. Sorry to yawn in y'all's ear like that. We have a meeting with Joe from Tradeify here in about 3 hours. See if we can partner, maybe. Yeah, that'd be interesting. Be a little bit interessante. Here come the longs. Pushing us up into the 170s now. Hey, here's that V you were talking about, Diego. Here come the 170s. Pretty great buying volume so far, pushing us into the 80s. Anything at the 220s in this VWAP, I'm going to take an attempt at a short, I think. Swear to God, I'm so dumb. that long, it would have been crazy, Sobs. You spotted it well. Look at this candle starting to wick out. Pretty ugly, pretty crazy, pretty strong. I'm going to be willing to take a VWAP attempt. It seems scary, but I like it also. Long from the 40s would have been my TP 100 points. I had an order set at the 77s and long and moved it. Would have been 100 points. Sorry to hear that, King. Yeah, you would have smashed that right there. Long from the 40s. Let's go, Queen. Good trading. Good trading. Sorry I didn't get to capitalize on that, Sobs. I hope I didn't talk you out of it, but... I'm going to have a short order at the 230s, roughly, family. Roughly. Why did I move it? Greed. Understandable. That is a very understandable thing. It happens to the best of us. Can you give me a nice clean push up to the VWAP so I can short you confidently, please, NASDAQ? That's what I would love right now, guys. A nice, strong, clean push to the VWAP. Interacting with this daily spot as well, where we could start flipping back over to be printing green. Could be interesting. Might be the 220s might be the obstacle there, though. $220s might be the obstacle there, though. This is a really big doji, or a big candle wick forming. Interesting to see this candle here with a lot of buy volume that we couldn't push any higher. Kind of interested in that. I think still think that means sellers are a little bit in control right now. Big buy volume, even more volume, but yet we couldn't push any more. Show me some aggressive buying into these 20s so I can take a short NASDAQ. That's what I would love right now. Just nice buying volume up into the 220s. We can take a short. Otherwise, we're going to be done for the day. Only going to trade if I get this set up. I don't even want to put an order on yet, but I'm going to put it just like this. And then if we have a reason to fill it, I'm going to put sell 5. Otherwise, we're not going to, and we're going to be patient. I would like a nice little push up into this VWAP, though. Find some rejection from the sellers. Pushes back down. Make it a little bit more, maybe. We'll see. That would be an A+ for us. And we'll have a tight stop on it as well. It's another reason why it's an A+. We don't have to risk much. Pretty much the same trade. Just got to see if the buyers want to actually give us a fill. It's going to be obstacle those 220s no matter what. It's going to be an obstacle no matter what. NASDAQ hanging out the 170s. We pushed through Friday's low. Coming back up in towards the EMA and the VWAP here. Sellers have really just been in control all day. Having a 230 short, may not get a fill. May get a fill also. Obstacle is going to be the 220s. Oh, this is starting to look pretty good for a potential short continuation move. Starting to look a little bit okay. Order is going to be the 230.75s. Going to look to short 5 there, the previous tops. VWAP's going to be our defense, obviously. Maybe looking to short this VWAP if we get a nice pull into it. I'm going to actually front run it by a couple points. VWAP is technically the 240s. I'm going to get in at the 230s. Starting to wick really strongly on the hourly, though. Keeping that in mind. It's 10:51, family. We're getting closer. If we don't get our fill here in 9 minutes, we're going to have to just let this party continue tomorrow, but I really want to see if we can get a fill up around this VWAP for the continuation of the sellers here. I do like it. I like it quite a bit. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get any love. This is the first time the buyers have been trying to show their dominance today. First time we've ever based above the EMA all morning. We have looking to maybe take 5 to 230s. Just want to see a reaction here. This is the first time the sellers have been able, or the buyers have been able to maintain EMA at all. We're looking to see if we can get a push back up into the 220s. That is going to be the previous spot where we're going to find some obstacles. Looks like we might have a rotation struggle at the 190s, though. Looks like the buyers might be getting a little bit beat up now. Looks like the buyers might be getting beat up a little bit. Sellers got this right back in below the EMA. Let's just see if we can recognize a quick little bear flag here. You see this start to break, we could find some more selling. I wanted to see if we could get a pull back up and around there, but we'll see the reaction towards this EMA, or this trend line. This could give us a little spring pad as well. Or we get heavy through here, give us more indication. Volume just kind of picked back up with orders. These 130s are a big spot, family. Buyers are either going to maintain this. It's that Friday low that we were auctioning at. This is that 130 Friday low. Kind of want to take an attempt at it. Quick stops. I want to see this bear flag break, but I just don't love it. Look at this trend line trying to hold. Above this trend line, we're going to go look for the VWAP. Below this, we're going to go look for low a day. I'm not going to really enter until either happens. I wouldn't mind taking a short if we can break back below the 100s. I'll look for a small little move. Otherwise, we're in this chop. We're in the spot where this trend line could support us back up into VWAP, or the sellers could finally take control again and push us back to lows. Either or could happen right now. Protect yourself. Kind of want to see this trend break, but we'll see. This trend line here. Stuck below the EMA. Big selling volume and price couldn't go lower. Let's see if the seller's going to take this flag down. Kind of forming it, but they're kind of maintaining it as well. Wanted to see if the buyers would be strong, or the sellers would be stronger in around this price. I want to see them cut through this next low. If we cut through the 119s, I think I might take a little short for the 100s. Kicking myself in the nuts. Sobs. Sorry to hear it, King. Nasdaq is not behaving greatly right now. We're through the trend. Sellers are starting to show their dominance. Good morning, Pav. You welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Hope the Monday's been treating you good. Hope your weekend was great. Really tempted to take a short attempt here at this trend line attempt. Hesitating. I think it's officially a little bit safer now. Officially think it's a little bit safer to go for it. I don't like that we're trying to touch into that price though either. I'm putting an order in, family. I'm shorting them 42s if we get a pull in. Have a quick stop on this. Have a very quick stop. Oh, we almost just got tapped in there. Still threatening a tease. No love. Oh, NASDAQ. I just needed a little fill there. Need a little fill, Nazzy, if you're going to play out for me. Don't fill me if you're going to go long, but if you're going to go down, go me fill.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in there. Stops are going to be put in pretty quickly. Not really trying to mess around too much. I want to see this trend line actually support us. Buy 5 stop. Stops are in. It's our last trade of the day, family. I want to see these sellers show a little bit of love, but they already have. Give a little bit more on this. Don't want to be stupid. I'm gonna be the first ones out. Show me some love, NASDAQ. Looking to see a rotation from these sellers. Feel like we could be on the wrong side now. I want to see this trend line support. We broke through it, but the buyers are still maintaining. Stops really should be up and above this previous wick, but I don't want to risk that much, but that's where they should be. Come on, sellers. Do your thing. Looking for a rotation. Beautiful so far. Give me that closure now. Don't want to see this thing wick. Show me some completion. Looking for the 128s. NASDAQ. You're breaking the trend. Respect the trend. Come on, girl. Respect that trend line. Respect this trend line one more time for the kid. Just want to see the seller's rotation back to the bottom of the range. Nothing for crazy. Come on. Come on, sellers. One more time through here. Other side of the range. Other side of the range. Don't wick. Can't afford a wick right here. This needs to find some selling. Get down there. Come on, NASDAQ. You're teasing. We're chopping. Come on, sellers. Give us a big black no wick. Get down there. Get down there. Looking for the 128s. Don't flash us like that, NASDAQ. Give me a fill. I feel like we should be smart here and look for more and trail. But I'm just kind of looking for an exit. Oh my God, it's going to wick us. Go give us a fill, selling. Come on. Hate that reaction. Hate that reaction. We got to be backing above these highs now. Fuck, NASDAQ. You were really looking good right there, Queen. You were looking really good for a fill there. Oh, don't tease me now. We were just so teased. 133 points away from a full fucking exit. Come on, Nazi. Show me some selling. Get down there. Go take out that wick. No more wicks up top here. Big black, no wick. One time. Finish this off. Let's end the day. Come on. Give it to us. Still think shorts are very much in control here. This is why I'm being patient, but don't love the reaction here. They're trying to maintain EMA. I want to see the sellers close below EMA for us to have any love here. Kind of like that. Beautiful.
Order filled.
I don't know. Closing this. Locking it out. Locking it out. Everything's off. We got about as good as we could get there, family. Little rotation to the bottom. It was insane. Little choppy and slower volume. Lockout tie 2K plus profit is good. Good luck, brother. This is how I felt today. I was chasing the market for the wrong thing and not following my rules. Low of the day for my boy. GPT, love the energy. Come on, Nat. Play for my man. Nice, bro. Lockout green today. Yeah, we're done. We're done. I was looking for the rotation of that. We finally got it. Thank you so much for being here, y'all. I hope y'all didn't sweat with me too much. But seriously, great start to the week. Everybody stopping in this morning means the most. Thanks for spending the morning. Hope your trading went well as well. Gray button. I'm hitting it, Queen. Everybody see it. I'm going to the MNQ. Gray button in it. Excuse me. We're exiting everything. Okay. GG's. I appreciate that. Diego, thanks for spending your morning. Danny, GPT, Mad Max, Work, Paul, Pobby, Sobs, Dave, Corey, appreciate y'all so much for being here. Let's have a good week. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. So appreciate you guys. Peace.